Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Miss Fortner, an art teacher from Texas. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Welcome, artists of all ages. It's Miss Fortner here from Benfer Elementary. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a flashlight. Just kidding. You are going to learn how to draw a flashlight. You're also going to learn how to make a night scene. Don't know if you can see this. I'm hoping that it's really dark and you can't see it. Wonder what would help. How about a flashlight? You're going to take your flashlight when you're done creating your piece, and you stick your flashlight in this Ziploc bag, and you'll be able to see all of the things that you drew in your picture. I hope that you enjoy exploring with some new materials.
Black paper, white cardstock, Ziploc bag, scissors, pencil, eraser, and Sharpies. Measure black paper to fit inside the Ziploc bag. In this example, I'm using a gallon-size Ziploc bag, but you can use any size. Measure your white paper also. This is just going to help you see what you are drawing on your Ziploc bag. Eventually, the white paper that you put in there is going to end up being your flashlight. In the introduction of the video, I showed you a bedroom drawing, which you most certainly can do, and you'll be able to see those details at the end of the video. I also want you to think of dark places that you could draw. Your bedroom, a forest, under the sea, or even outer space. In this video, I'm drawing a cave, so let's go spelunking. I'm going to be drawing the shape of the cave as you walk in, which is just a large rainbow shape. I'm going to be drawing some stalactites, which hang from the tops of caves. Stalactites look like icicles, but they're made from calcium salts deposited by dripping water. I'm going to be using some pretty crazy colors because, of course, I love color. Stalactites are not usually green in caves, but that's the color I chose as an artist. You get that freedom too. I'm also going to be drawing some sleeping bats, and I'm coloring those purple. As we all know, bats are not purple, but I thought this would be a fun and colorful way to add my cave details. The largest colony of bats in the world are located in Bracken Cave, just right outside of San Antonio, Texas. The colony contains an estimated 20 million Mexican free-tailed bats. Why do bats hang upside down, you ask? Well, unlike birds, they can't launch their bodies into the air from the ground because their wings don't produce enough lift. If sleeping bats need to escape quickly, hanging upside down means they're already in the perfect position to spread their wings and fly. I'm adding some value to my cave to make it look darker the farther you walk in. I'm starting with some gray down at the bottom, colored in solid, but I'm also using cross-hatching to create the cave getting lighter as it becomes closer to the viewer. Off to the side, I'm going to draw a spider web and some spiders. Spelunking is the exploration of caves, and spelunking scientists have identified over 1,000 species of mysterious cave-dwelling spiders. The next thing that I'm going to draw is a bear. I made a mistake and I learned from it. I'm using a metallic Sharpie. I would not suggest doing this because the metallic Sharpie shows over the black page. I had to go over this several times with a dark brown Sharpie. My grizzly bear is sleeping in our cave. He looks kind of grumpy. Maybe he's hibernating. I'm going to add another little spider web. You could add other cave-dwelling animals like raccoons or rats or snakes. And depending on the environment you draw, it could be a cold environment in a cave, and you could find an Arctic fox or even a polar bear. Now I'm going to take out my white paper and replace it with my black paper inside. See how my metallic shows? I just went over that in dark brown Sharpie. That should help cover it up. The next thing that we're going to do is create our flashlight. You're going to want to draw a long handle for your flashlight and then a V to create your light beam. Leave your light beam white, but you can color your flashlight handle any color you would like. Don't forget to cut it out. My flashlight handle is a little short. Let me lengthen that. When your flashlight is complete, slide the light inside your bag over the black sheet and go spelunking. Here's my example of the bedroom drawing. You could draw your bedroom and hide things and have a friend or a parent take the flashlight and make a list of all the hidden things that they find. Thanks for doing this very unique project with me. I'm the Teach with Color. Thanks for learning with color.